Hi guys, I hope you're doing great today, by the way. So, from time to time, my hubby and I go on business trips, so we're on the road. There is this favorite hotel that we like to stay at because we always get a very comfortable sleep. And I guess the reason why we do is because their beds are pillow top mattresses. My husband and I got thinking that, okay, it's about time we change out our regular mattress to a pillow top. Pillow top mattresses can run you quite a bit of money, up to even 5,000 and above. And I'm talking about dollars. And so we decided, no, don't think we're gonna force that into the budget right now. So let's find an alternative. Now, before we had a mattress cover on the bed, and it really didn't do anything for us. And so that is one of the reasons why we were thinking about a pillow top, right? However, we decided, okay, let's just do some more research and really try to see if we can get a very good quality mattress cover. And I was home one evening when my hubby came home with a package. He said, I picked this up at store and I want you to try it out. So I said, okay, I'll wash it because I don't like to use things on my bed or on my body before washing them. So it took me a little while to wash it because I was kind of doubtful that it was gonna make any difference. A couple times he asked about it and I said, I haven't washed it yet, but I finally washed it. And actually, when I took it out of the package, I was pretty impressed. And so I washed it and I put it on the bed. And man, hasn't it made a difference? It has made such a humongous difference. Let's lift up these sheets and show you the mattress cover pillow top. Here it is, guys. Not only does it have a pretty thick pad, but it has this very deep skirt. So when you pull it down onto the mattress, it sits snugly in all four corners. And this, my friends, is our secret to softer sleep on our otherwise standard mattress. So if you guys are thinking of buying a pillow top bed and you can't fit it into your budget, or you just don't want to spend that money to buy a mattress because it has a pillow top, think about getting a very good quality mattress cover. I didn't call the name of the store at first, but my hubby actually picked this up at Costco. Now, Costco and I are no partnership, but just to let you know, if you want to check it out, he bought it at Costco. By the way, guys, the brand on the mattress cover is Sealy brand, so you don't necessarily have to buy it at Costco. You can check it out wherever you can get Sealy mattress covers, and you could actually buy 2 of these mattress covers and put them on together to get an even softer sleep and save yourself thousands of dollars. Thank you guys so much for subscribing, watching the videos, liking and sharing. Please do leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts. And if you're watching this video and you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscription button, and remember to hit the notification bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. You take care now, and I'll see you in the next video.